Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you could drop a comment on the video, it helps it out a ton. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, today on the show, we have a Bourbon Alexander. Real easy and delicious cocktail to make. First thing we got to do is add 1.5 ounces or 1 shot of bourbon. I'm using Maker's Mark for this one, but any bourbon will be fine. Actually, any whiskey will be fine. Then we want to add 3/4 ounce or half a shot of Crème de Cacao. It's a chocolate flavored liqueur. You can find it in pretty much any liquor store anywhere. And then 3/4 ounce or half a shot of heavy cream, heavy whipping cream to be specific. Again, you can find this in pretty much any store. And then just grab something to stir it with, give it a stir, and that's that. Bourbon Alexander. Done.